Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll dive into the complexities of diagnosing whether your Dell Latitude laptop is truly non-reparable. We'll go through the tools needed, the steps to take, and how to clean internal components to ensure your device is in the best condition possible. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and prevent any damage caused by static electricity. Begin by shutting down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and the integrity of the device. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Make sure to keep track of these screws as they can be different sizes. If you find it challenging to keep them organized, consider using a magnetic mat. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. Now, take a look inside. A common issue with many laptops, including the Dell Latitude series, is dust buildup. Using compressed air, carefully clean the fans and heatsink areas. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. After cleaning, inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of damage, such as burnt circuits or damaged connectors. If you notice any issues, it may indicate that the laptop is indeed non-reparable. However, if everything appears intact, you can proceed to reassemble your device. If you're feeling uncertain at any point during this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to get expert insights into your laptop's condition. Reattach the back panel, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that everything fits snugly before moving on. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. For those who may not have the right tools or experience, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. This means no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop problems. Once your device is back together, plug it in and power it on. If it does not boot, this could be a sign of a deeper issue. In such cases, don't worry, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In conclusion, diagnosing whether your Dell Latitude is non-reparable can be challenging, but with the right tools and steps, you can gather valuable insights about your device. If you ever feel overwhelmed, remember our services are here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.